Hello everyone, myself Ritu Jaiswal and now I'm gonna introduce my teammates. First of all, Shafford is our team leader and SW members are Shivam Singh, Shikhar Srivastava, Pratibha Pal and Rahul Gupta. Our team name is Sangharsh. Our problem statement ID is SIH1688 and our problem statement title is Development of Mobile Based Application and Maintenance Tool for Asset and Consumable Inventories and Financial Management with respect to the drinking water supply system. Our theme is Smart Automation and our PS category is Software. Our team focuses on making a mobile app for water supply system. It integrates GIS-based asset tracking, inventory management and financial monitoring. It helps Panchayat to track water infrastructure and generate bills and make safe and secure payments via UPI. Our app interface is user friendly and it is easy to use. Our key features are asset management. In, in this, we store details such as location, maintenance history, and performance. In inventory, in inventory control, we update stocks in real time where supplies are restocked. Financial monitoring, we maintain a digital book for all the financial transactions. In billing and payment, we make bills for consumer-based application. Thank you. Now I'm gonna hand over my presentation to Shivam Singh.
Myself, Shivam Singh, and now I am going to tell innovation and uniqueness of our project. So, uniqueness and innovation of our project are GIS asset management, seamless payment options, and smart asset management. So, in our mobile app, we will integrate GIS mapping so that we can do real time monitoring of our assets and we can repair them on time. Also, in our mobile app, we will provide various payment method options and a very user-friendly interface through which user can do payments very easily and seamlessly. And through smart asset management, we will manage our asset very properly. Like every asset will be attached with a very unique barcode, and the barcode will be scanned by Gram Panchayat head, and then it will be approved by zonal head, and it will automatically get uploaded to the data in the inventory of the app. And now I will be handing over my next slide to Mr. Safad.
Have also integrated GIS system, geographical information system technology, by which person can have updated of the work remotely. Fourth, we have used the technology like Flutter for front end, Python for backend. For database management system, we have used MySQL, which is very easy to use, and for GIS, geographical information system, we have used Mapbox. That's all.
Myself Rahul Gupta. Now I am going to explain some potential challenges that we can face while using our mobile app. Internet connectivity and electrical supply is the main potential challenges for this app. Some other potential challenges are technical issue, data accuracy, high maintenance cost, and security concern. Some strategies for overcoming these challenges are to conduct tests, to ensure data security, to provide training, manage cost, develop plan to overcome connectivity challenges and training cost. Now I am going to hand over next slide to Pratibha Pal. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Pratibha Pal going to tell you about some of the potential impacts of this application on Gram Panchayats, public health engineering departments and rural households. Gram Panchayats will experience reduced workload due to automated assets. Public health engineering department will benefit for improving the coordination with Gram Panchayats. For rural household, it will experience a clear and transparent billing process, and the public will get the clear water supply. Now let me tell you about some of the benefits socially, economically, and environmentally. Socially, it will be beneficial for empowering the Gram Panchayats. Economically, it will enhance the country's economy. Environmentally, it will conserve the water resources. Thank you. Now I'm going to hand over the next slide to Mr. Shikhar Srivastava.
Myself Shikhar Srivastava, I am going to explain how the mobile application will work. Firstly, user will go to the user login and authentication page where user logs in using credentials. Secondly, user will see the dashboard page where he has to select modules among asset management, consumables, inventory management and finance management. Then in asset management, user can view, add or update assets. In consumable inventory management, user can track stock level usage, set record alerts for low stocks. In finance management, the work of finance management is to monitor, budget and generate financial report. At last, reports will be get prepared.